Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my July 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. I am so surprised to see that this is here because in this same day I got my lost June 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate box, and so I'm so surprised that I got a second delivery from Ipsy in the same day. But so it's funny, I got my June Ultimate box and now I'm getting my July Glam Bag Plus box in the same day. But so this is the Plus box, which is $25. I get it every month from Ipsy and it's a customized beauty subscription box. And the Plus box is fun because they're all full-size products. So let's go ahead and see what I got. I have to say the Plus boxes have been not great lately, and from the comments I've been seeing that people have not really been loving their Plus boxes, so I'm not alone in that, but that doesn't stop me from wanting to get it every month still. So fingers crossed I like this box better than the past few boxes. All right, so let's start off with the card. Yeah, no product information. I keep saying this when I get the cards from Ipsy that don't have product information, that it's not even worth sending cards, because then I get 3 of the same cards because I get the regular Glam Bag, this Glam Bag Plus, and the Glam Bag Ultimate, which make sure you're subscribed so that you get to see my unboxings of all of those. Plus, I also get both BoxyCharm boxes, the regular BoxyCharm and the BoxyCharm Premium. So if you like seeing unboxing videos and if you like seeing product reviews, because I'm going to be doing full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products in my boxes, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And then I'm also going to be doing a full face makeup tutorial at the end of the month using all of the products I got in my Ipsy boxes and my BoxyCharm boxes. So I just get so excited every month because there's so many fun videos that come out of this. Okay, so let's pull out this first product here. This is from the brand Purlisse. It's the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. So I actually got, I think it was my BoxyCharm box, actually, the Purlisse BB cream. Is it the BB cream or the CC cream? I should know because I use it every single day. It is so good. I can have my review video of the product I'm talking about linked in the description down below, but that made me want to try out more Purlisse products, so I'm excited about this one. So basically it sounds like a primer, but also a moisturizer. So lightweight, oil-free water cream primes skin for makeup. So I bet this would work really well with that BB cream that I love. But ooh, I love primers, so I'm really excited to try this out in one of those dedicated videos. Next up, Nature's Cartel, cute packaging with the cheetah leopard print. Shimmer lip gloss. I keep talking about how much I love lip glosses these days. Ooh, this looks so pretty. It's like a clear with lots of sparkle. Yay! Okay, once again, I'm not going to swatch it because I'm gonna resist, and I'm gonna save that for the full dedicated review video that I do. Next up, okay, I'm getting lots of like makeup products. This is from Merquillage, which this is a brand that I have tried out quite a few products from now, all because of Ipsy, and I've been really liking it. Ooh, this is heavy. This is multi-dimensional eye color. Ooh, so I have this in the shade Color Boss Eyes on the Prize, and it looks like a brown shade. Actually forgot, I can look up the retail value on all of these products on the Ipsy app. So this Il Maquillage Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color in Eyes on the Prize retails for $29. Wow, $29 for just this eyeshadow single. And then the Nature's Cartel VCR Static Lip Gloss retails for $12. This is the full-size product. Wow, and then this Purlisse Beauty Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer retails for $45. To me, that is very expensive. All right, and then I have from Mid-Flower. It's like 3 of these, of the same masks. Hyaluronic acid moisturizing masks, so sheet masks. I like sheet masks. I'm not crazy about them, but I have 3 of these, so I sure hope I like this one. And the set of 3 retails for $15. And then we've got, oh, this is the product I chose because I love that Ipsy lets you choose one product for each of the glam bags. And this is the Tarte Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. So I have heard really good things about this mascara. I love trying out Tarte products and I love trying out mascaras. So this is awesome to be able to get. It retails for $23. And then I have the makeup bag. So once again, this is a kind of small makeup bag for the Glam Bag Plus. It says Wanderlust on it. It's cute. It's not like my favorite style. It does have a little airplane detail on the zipper here. Well, this isn't very appropriate or accurate right now since we can't really travel due to the pandemic, but it's also got this plasticky material. Not my favorite bag, but still kind of cute. All right, so let me do a quick recap of everything I got and then I'll give you my final thoughts on what I think of this box. So I got the Tarte Surfer Curl Volumizing Mascara. I got the Mid-Flower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Masks. I got the Purlisse Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. I got the Nature's Cartel Lip Gloss. And I got the Merquillage Color Boss Eyeshadow. So all in all, these are all products that I'm pretty happy with and pretty excited to use and try out. So I'm pretty happy with this box. I'm not super excited about it. There's nothing that I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm dying to try that. But they're products that I will definitely use and I'm looking forward to. However, I spent $25 on this and you're supposed to get $120 value at least. And I added up all of my products and it comes out to $124. And that is the value that they advertise, at least $120. But I feel like with BoxyCharm, they say maybe it's like at least $120. I always get way more than that. I get like $200. I just get like way more than the value. This month, I came really close to their advertised value with Ipsy. So I just kind of feel like it could have been a little bit more, but I shouldn't complain because I still got $124 worth of products that I paid only $25 for. But are they products that I would have purchased on my own anyways? No, not necessarily. So all in all, decent, not terrible, not my favorite. But as always, I would love to know in the comments down below, first of all, what you got in your July 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. Secondly, if you have tried any of these products, I would love to know in the comments down below what your thoughts are on them. And I would also like to know if there are any products in here that you would like me to prioritize the reviews on. So any products that you're really excited to see me review, let me know in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.